all along mumemerekia awa Kameme Baby Top akoretwo gitungati na anything that is affecting mwananchi wa kawaida akoretwo totally against it na akoretwo agisupport we need to have good governance, we need to get things fixed in the country. Na in that light Kameme ni akoretwo rimwe akihurira andu thimu, people call live on air na makorwo makiaria uria kurathi na mbere in their respective places. Na muthenya umwe gukihurwo thimu and someone said that kuraheanwo mboco ni deputy president okete hamwe na ma MP na mboco icio nginya citirahea and people are being misused by kureherwo mboco na Baby Top agikorwo agichatisha haria muno na pale hivyo akasema that this government is really misusing people tondu gukorwo magituma nginya deputy president athi akaheane mboco ta headman. The disrespect in that office.
Bugano marute deputy president wa Kenya Nairobi. Mamutwara kaya na boso ta headman. Matigimo kuwa huo.
Ni maundu ni debate ikoretwo ikiariririo muno na recently tukoretwo kiona bara ya merio gatagati ka Baby Top na Betty Sawa women rep wa Kuria Muranga regarding that issue. Apparently after Baby Top gukorwo akirwo guo ni akorirwo agikumithio horo ucio na njira imwe nene muno na akorwo akiuga ati the deputy president's office needs to be respected na tia gutumira gukorwo igitwarira andu such things na ningi people need better things to empower themselves tikurehera mundu irio cia 2 days then that's it.
Uratwika atiri ngeigua
twira ora biguite twina cira wa ndu ningi no twahitirie
ithwe na baba yao hapa kwa hapa jera ine cito
neki tweka riu kai baba twendau twinawe na Stacy
we muno
oi baba neki ndeka riu ma wa meme
we muno wa meme na wa Njoroge inde gatiriri aikorwo ni njera ri riu ni kwambia kwira Roja amenye oke aikarie
mwari mwana
sorry arakijikaria njera
hau naho
na we niki
no riu nwambia komakia we kontrathie njera
ukura tukane to guthitangwo
niki tweka
ni wa maboco
ucio no witago uguo
niguo Ngai kabadogo ya kutodo nere umithio
auga no
maboco ngeigua riu ni turandikirwo mashtaka ya kwanza murari hau Kameme-ini murauga boco itiraya ni ambere niko thomera ta impeachment
aru nere account ndanohwo ne njuria cithomagwo kuria
murari section 21
cap 16 stroke J
Gladys Muthoni Njoroge
yes
ni urathekire ngaiga yes ona Gladys Muthoni Njoroge cap 4 stroke 2
yes extension 2
ni uragire mboco iria itaheire ni urerirwo mboco iria ni ndirerirwo tigiroigire ni urerirwo mboco iria itaheire cie Mbiriri school primary school o Mbiri primary school
ni urerirwo
ureka atia iragwa na giterio ona twire niki kingituma tutikahure nyundo metha-ini tukuohe ndogame
urio
njuge no ndiarie na ruga iria njui
ugwitetera wi mwena uriku
ndi mwena uyu
haya witetera
you honor
yes
nie ni ndirahurire thimu ndiraheo ndeto icio ndirohwo ni undu wa guthekai kana ni kuga mboco ya kawaida icio cia moyore kilo ni 130 kwirwo kana ndirerwo ni undu mucere ni wa 160 na kwaga andu makarithio raini makaheo mutu wa 109 kana hasa ndirohwo niki njirwo you honor
yes
Gladys Muthoni Njoroge haha tire na metheko turakuoha ni undu wa gwitana wa maboco juga you honor athikiriria ko ne makwenda othe mahatwo tuoho nao to neo maheanaga maritwa
actually ndio
yes ni thikagiriria uria maranjira
yes togato
ngamoria riu wa maboco kana wa mucere moke na wa ngima moke na
wa githeri wa macabasi
ni mokaga magatwira wa mundonyi magatwira itha wa metho riu ni no twambire andu acio matohwo ni no ngwiuraga
before kinyete igoti-ini
before mocho tondu athikiriria acio nio maranjeheire
ritwa riu
njirwo ndore na cira
tukwenda kumurehera mboco no ni turaiguire ciacambio citirahia tuga tutikamurehere twacoka tukwenda kumurehera mucere tuigua ni uracambio muno tuga tutikamurehere ni murenda kana mutirenda ni murenda kana mutirenda mugiuka mucemanio umuthiri hatire handu ngari iratangathire andu moke maheo mucere na moke maheo mboco ngari iratangathire nituroka kuheana mbeca cia ikundi na nituoka na mbeca cia ngari iratangatha nitukuheana matangi ma mai na nituoka na matangi ma ngari iratangatha nitugutuga akoro itu na mirengeti na nituoka na mirenge no tondu mutumia ni wendori na mutumia ona githie gucerera mutumia uri ungi ndathiaga kiondo githeri ri mukwenda gatuoke kiondo githeri.
Also ntukoretwo tukiona people like Dede Nyoro nginya ni akoretwo akiuga ati instead ya gukorwo kwina economic forum ici cirathi na mbere tha ici tukona every now and then abunge marurunganite hamwe na deputy president mathiete kuheana mbeca to the tune of 10 million. Instead of all that, budget ine ya 2025 wikirwo 10 million for every constituency nigetha mbia icio cikorwo cikimenyekana ciumete ku budget ine tondu clearly looking at the budget Dede Nyoro arauga ati ni aramenya kuria mbia icio ciraheanwo kuria cirauma. With all that said and done, Betty Esawa seems not to be happy with this story, especially story ya Baby Top gukorwo akiaria radio-ini na gukorwo agikomithia mboco na the fact that citirahea kuria Murang'a. And I really wonder atumia aria makoragwo kuria Ucha, are we on the same page? Tondu akiaria kuria Murang'a, she really condemned uhoro ucio wa Baby Top gukorwo akiuga uguo na arakorwo akiuria andu acio a Murang'a ka atumia acio kana ni marenda mboco kana matirenda, and they were shouting niturenda na at this point ni ndrarigwo what is really happening with this story kurathi atia, because goku online na according to majority of the young people this government and what they are doing we are not relating in any way. But wathi kuria Ucha, you find such women celebrate kureherwo mboco gorogoro imwe na rice for 2 days, not knowing that BASO is money that would have been used to do something that would have helped them get that for a longer time. To do the moment BASO ciahuthirwo kurehe mboco na mucere, and that money was supposed to build a road connecting to their farms. That road would have helped them gukorwo makiumiria indo ciao. Then next year riria gwa corona floods ukaigwa makiuga tutirahota kuumiria indo citu irio cirathukira mugunda, yet ni inyuĩ mwetekire kuoya mboco gorogoro imwe na mucere gorogoro imwe. After all that story, Betty Esawa ni arabanga gukorwo akimutwara igoti-ini hamwe na Chef Gathemba, hamwe na Team Master Chef Gathemba, because of those remarks iria makorwo magikumithia uhoro ucio wa gukorwo makiheana mboco na all that story. At this point, gweciria bara ino ya Baby Top na Betty Esawa iguthirira guku online, because I don't see any light in that case. Aikorwo hena cira ucio na ni mahena cira ucio, ndirona any base ya gukorwo cira ucio githi na mbere. Iyo case ona ndure na nyitira cira ucio ona ndure na nyitiro, because Baby Top just listened to a fan uria urahurite thimu radio-ini, and she reacted just like anyone else would react. Dear mawani makumegi uhoro uyu. I don't know why there is this big panic. Kaudu kanini. The KK people are amplifying it. The other day turonire after a 3 weeks recess, bunge yacoka bunge, there are better issues to discuss. Hena maundu mangikuria bururi maingi muno magukora makidiscuss, but they chose to discuss Rigathi Gachagua. Hena budget ya 2025. Hena maundu makoretwo magithi na mbere maingi muno bururi-ini. And then the first thing they are discussing is Rigathi Gachagua. It shows that something is clearly off. Hena kaundu gatarathi na mbere wega. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.